that it can happen with other liquid also, that we are getting wrong reading. Okay, it can happen that a particular liquid sample do conduct electric current through it allow electric current to pass through it, but the bulb will not glow. Then our reading and the whole experiment will be wrong, isn't it? Therefore, we need another tester, okay, which can detect weak current. Let's see how we can make that tester. What we can do, children, one way is that we will replace the torch bulb, and in place of torch bulb we will use LED. Okay, LED stands for light emitting diode. The speciality of LED is that it glows even when a weak current passes through it. Now what was happening in the torch bulb? In case of vinegar, the current was weak. Okay, the current was weak, therefore the bulb did not glow. The filament did not get heated up and the bulb did not glow. But in case of light emitting diode, it will glow even when a weak current will pass through it. Okay. So one way is that we can use LED light emitting diode. Okay. Here you can see that two LEDs are there. The longer one is the positive LED and the smaller one is the negative LED. Okay, if you are attaching it, connecting it with the battery, then you will connect the longer LED with the positive terminal of the battery and the smaller LED with the negative terminal of the battery. Okay, so one method is this, through which we can detect weak current flowing through the liquid. Second is, children, we can use compass in place of torch bulb. Okay, what we can do, we can take a plastic or cardboard box, keep our compass, okay, which is used to get directions, keep our compass into it and wrap it with the wire. Okay, wrap it with the connecting wire and connect it with the circuit. You have learned it in your previous class, in class 7, children, that what happens if the free end of the wire of the circuit are connected to conductor. What happened? That particular conductor allow electric current to pass through it, therefore the circuit get complete. Electric current flows throughout the circuit, and as the electric current flows through the connecting wire, children, it generates magnetic field around it. Okay, due to which you will see a deflection in the compass needle, because the needle of compass is also a magnet. Okay, therefore when we will connect any sample, now let us come back to the liquid. When we will connect any sample to the free connecting wire, and after that if there is some deflection in the compass, then it means that that particular liquid sample is a conductor. Okay students, now we are going to check whether compass help us to detect weak current. Okay, so you can see that I have taken a plastic box and kept a compass inside it. Then I have surrounded the box and compass with the connecting wire, as you can see. Okay, now I will put the free end of the connecting wire into the sample vinegar and let's see if it conduct electricity or not. Just observe the compass carefully, children. Okay, children. Now let us see that whether tap water conduct electricity or not. Okay. I will put the free end of the connecting wire into tap water. Now just observe the compass very carefully. As you saw in the video, like the vinegar which was not able to glow bulb in the first case, okay, it did cause deflection in the compass in the second case. Therefore, we can say that vinegar is allowing electric current to pass through it, but only to some extent. Hence, our compass was able to detect weak current. Now, sample like vinegar, curd, tap water, which cause deflection in the compass needle, allow electric current to pass through them, hence are called good conductors. And honey is a non-conductor. So you can use various liquid that you use in a daily life. Okay, you can test it whether the compass shows deflection or not. Okay. Final conclusion. After doing two activities, we come to final conclusion that some liquids are good conductor of electricity, whereas some are poor conductors of electricity. Solution of acid, base, salt conduct electricity. But why? What is the reason? Because children, the solution of acid, base and salt contain charged particles called ions that carry current. Okay.